The quality and shelf life of the fried food you produce begins and ends with the condition of your frying oil. It is imperative to quickly and efficiently remove crumbs, coatings, and food particles from the frying oil. Not only do these solids discolor the oil and product, but they are catalysts for oil breakdown as they char in the fryer. Some fried products absorb and carry very little oil from the fryer. The oil remains in the fryer for too long and it degrades. For these applications, it is not enough to just remove the solids before they char. The oil must be treated with an absorbent powder to remove free fatty acids, reverse the degradation, and bring the oil back to like-new condition. Oberlin offers two process options for FFA removal: batch treatment and continuous treatment. The best solution is determined by the rate of FFA growth. If FFA growth is slow, then batch treatment is most likely the best solution. If FFA growth is fast, then Oberlin's patented continuous treatment process is likely the best solution. With the continuous treatment option, frying oil FFAs can be maintained at the desired level for consistent product color and flavor profile. Here's how the Oberlin continuous treatment process operates. Typical components include the Oberlin pressure filter, mixed tank supply pump, mixed tank, dry powder feeder, filter feed pump, and fryer roaster. The process can begin once the dry powder feeder contains FFA absorbent powder. The mixed tank supply pump is energized and dirty oil is transferred to the mixed tank. FFA absorbent powder is automatically dispensed to the mixed tank while the tank fills. The filtering process begins once the mixed tank level is full. The filtering cycle begins by pressurizing the airbag to lower the upper chamber and form a seal against the lower chamber, with media sandwiched in between. The inlet valve is opened, and dirty frying oil is pumped into the upper chamber. As more fluid is processed by the filter, the solid particles that have contaminated the frying oil are trapped by the filter media and held in the upper chamber. These solids form a filter cake. As the mixed tank is filled and emptied over and more solids collect inside the filter, pressure builds within the upper chamber. Clean oil flows into the lower chamber, which drains to the clean tank. When the pressure inside the upper chamber reaches a set value, the inlet valve is closed and the bypass valve is opened. Dirty oil flow is directed back to the mixed tank while filtration is paused. The drying cycle begins. The cake dry valve is opened and pressurized air is fed into the upper chamber, flushing out any remaining oil and drying the cake. When the drying cycle has ended, the cake dry valve is closed and the discharge cycle begins. The airbag deflates and the upper chamber separates from the lower chamber. The filter media take-up motor is energized to move and discharge the filter cake. This sequence repeats automatically until the system is shut down. The Oberlin continuous treatment system ensures consistent product color and taste, extends product shelf life, extends oil life, eliminates waste oil entirely, reduces fresh oil purchase and disposal costs. Contact Oberlin Filter to see if batch treatment, continuous treatment, or simple crumb removal is the best option for your application. Oberlin Filter, the authority in frying oil filtration.